Hello crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with the recipe stamp of the month for September and October, and also some stamp drops for Adornit. These are fabulous stamps designed by Dianna Marcum. Let's just go right into it because it's a lot of fall stamp goodness. Let's get started. This is the September stamp of the month. So if you are part of the recipe stamp of the month at Adornit, you probably have this already, and your October one should be coming very soon too. Both of them are fall themed, so I think they rushed it so that you all can get to craft during this time. The September recipe stamp of the month is this gorgeous one called Pumpkin Pecan Coffee Cake. Love it. Oh, I need to make this. I love the oversized stamp with the recipe. Everything here, even when you stamp it out, comes out really nice and clear. So I did color it up on some Nina 110-pound cardstock. Used my Olo markers. This pumpkin pecan coffee cake. I love the oversized stamp. And it's on penny black zigzag stackers die. As you can see, I always keep extras of it. This is a fantastic die set. I did a product spotlight on this. I will link it here so you can take a look at this awesome die set. This is not a full A2. 4 inches wide, 5 1/4 inch tall, and see how the stamp fits right in there. So then you could put another piece here to do matting. Give this as a card or put it as a big tag. Almost 5 inches tall, 3 1/2 inch wide. Another great option from Penny Black is this one as well. Same sizing. This one is called semicircle stackers. Love both of them. Look at that stitch detail. So if you love the look of sewing, these are two fabulous die sets. I will be linking everything below. All the stamps plus these other little extras. Here is the add-on. Pumpkin and Scarecrow add-on. This is so fabulous. Look at the Scarecrow. I colored this one up with Copic markers. So cute. And notice I didn't put anything really. I'm like going between, should I do a card? Make it as a mini album page? Then I was thinking, look at this together. Like, these are just so adorable together too. Also with this, there is this piece. And look at that lantern. Love, 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 love. And these are Olo markers. That's Copic marker. Notice that you really can't tell the difference, right? There's another one here. Gratitude is the best attitude. Need to color that up. And then these extra bits to stamp. These two are available a la carte right now. So if you're seeing this for the first time and you're like, oh, I'm not a part of the recipe of the month club, you can get these. And there is also pattern paper. 8 sheets. 4 each of 2 designs. So you're going to get 2 sets of this with the pattern paper, okay? This is the cut apart sheet with the cute scarecrow. Isn't that adorable? And then all these other layering bits. You can use this for card making, mini albums, journals, etc. Cut strips, or you can cut one big section and do a collage. Then look at this. Lovely olive green. All these images here on it. And pumpkins in different colorways on a beige background with a little burlap in the background. And then also burlap and some fall leaves with all these fabulous patterns. This is the pattern side of the paper pack. On the reverse, your neutrals. Denim jeans, stitch detail, and this one is another pattern, definitely for fall, and so is this. So that's the fabulous paper pack. Mix and match all these, and I believe that the pattern paper is going to be discontinued, and I think that's the last one. So if you love any patterns, this is the time to pick up some. From before up till now. Now, to go along with it, there are 2 stamp drops that are available right now in store as well. These are a la carte. First up, oversized stamp, 8 inches tall, 6 inches wide, autumn element stamp. So with this one, you have You're My Favorite Nut, all these autumn elements with the acorn as the main focus. Acorn with a check pattern. Acorn with flowers. Big acorn here says, autumn is the season to find contentment at home. You have this whole on the farm scene with the barn and the tree and the little apple in the crate. This is adorable. 4 1/4 inch tall. 3 1/4 inch wide. Then you even have a little stamp here with a sign. Let the seasons change as they may, but hold fast to true friends. Oh, that's fabulous. I love that. Love the stitch detail. And then the fall leaf with the heart and the acorns again. Double acorn. You can do a whole collage with this. This is fabulous. This is now available a la carte in store. Mr. and Mrs. Turkey. Love, 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 love. This is so cute. Great to practice your coloring, whether you're doing alcohol markers, color pencils, or watercolor. Fabulous. And these stamps, they stamp very well. So you can explore all those coloring mediums. Almost 3.5 inch tall by 2 3/4, a little bit over. I think they're just adorable. I love their costumes. This is just so much fun. So you'll be seeing a project from me with this. They remind me of those like salt and pepper shakers too. So all of these are now available in store. The recipe stamp for September and all this goodness. Also available in store to go along with last month's mushroom recipe stamp, which is now available a la carte as well. So if you love the mushroom, here is the mushroom soup recipe stamp set. Then there is the recipe stamp add-on. Now there is also the mushroom elements stamp. Again, another large 8 inch by 6 inch stamp set. Look at that mushroom house. So love. 4 3/4 inch tall by 3.5 inch wide. And then there's another one. Advice from a mushroom. Be down to earth. Start from the ground up. Stay well rounded. Know when to show up. Keep a low profile. Never stop growing. This is so cute. 3 3/4 inch tall by 3.5 inch wide. You have more mushroom elements. You could do a whole mushroom scene. You could do the house, and then add on these. You could do this and have these. You could do the mushroom soup, add in some of these elements. Look at the leaves. I love the leaves in the different orientation. Small but still important. That's super cute. And then this little cluster. So this finishes off the mushroom soup recipe. There is a bundle also coming soon. Not available a la carte yet. This is the October recipe stamp of the month. September, pumpkin pecan coffee cake, along with the add-on. Now, October, turkey noodle soup. Here's the add-on for turkey noodle soup. Now, this one is interesting because it's 2 separate pieces. So you could make like 2 tags with this. This one is 4 inches tall with the title. Almost 3.5 inch wide. So the turkey noodle soup recipe is here. The ingredients, the instructions of how to make it is down here. So it continues. It's like turkey noodle soup and then the continuation. Boil 8 cups of water and then all of that to make the soup. Okay. You get the sentiment. Give thanks. You have this little border here with the leaves and the acorn again. So you could then incorporate with the acorn coming back into this, but this is available now. So you can use this on its own. You can also bring it over here because there are lots of acorn elements in this, but this is not available in store as yet. But if you're in the recipe stamp of the month, you'll be getting this shortly if you haven't received it already. Here's the add-on. Eat pie. Very fall. I love all this fall theme. It's just, oh, so fabulous. Here's another pumpkin now with a sunflower, some birds, the leaf. So you could definitely mix, match, and play. You see what's happening? All of these elements can go together. So there is lots of fun here to be had. You could just do pumpkins, a whole thing of pumpkins. Loads of ideas. Here's a wonderful picnic basket bursting with the sunflower, some apples, pumpkin. Love this. Let me give you a measurement on it real quick because you could use this by itself. 2 3/4 inch wide by 2 1/4 inch tall. You could put this on a tag and then have a little baked goodie. If you bake with apples, this can still work because it has the apples. Maybe that's what it is. Apples and then eat pie, apple pie. Okay. I'm thinking while I'm showing you. Inspiring ideas for yourself and myself, right? Acorn. Here's a sentiment. I will sing God's name in song and glorify him with thanksgiving. Perfect for Thanksgiving. That's wonderful. Gather together. That's another great sentiment. So this will be coming soon. As soon as it's available, I'll let you know. But I'm not done. I also have a haul. Bought a few things. This sold out last year and was sold out all this time until now. I just got it because I so wanted this pumpkin bars. There is a candy corn recipe too. Didn't get that one, I got this one. But you can get both, so I will be linking both of these below from my haul. Love pumpkin bars. This looks like it's 3.5 inch all the way around. 3.5 inch tall, 3.5 inch wide. Here's another pumpkin with a bow. Pumpkin seeds. Love this for atmosphere with a little heart. And then here's a nice corner too. Can this work with all of these? Oh, you bet it can. All sorts of pumpkin goodness. And bring in this too. Pumpkin bar. Got him right there. See? There you go. Love this guy. So super cute. So I got the pumpkin bar recipe stamp. I may go back and get that candy corn because that candy corn is like waving at me. So I did pick up this one before it sells out. This one is called Snowman Hot Chocolate Recipe. Look at that guy. 4 inches tall, 3 3/4 inch. Been wanting it for a long time. Now that we're coming into Christmas, I'm like, okay, time to get him. Isn't he adorable? Look at the mittens, the snowflakes. So I'll put a link for this. And lastly, I wanted this one too, so I picked this one up. Jack-o'-lantern stamp. Love. Look at the jack-o'-lanterns. 2 7/8 inch wide by almost 3 inches tall. This one, 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. This stamp is sold as a woodblock stamp. Cha-ching, okay? If you purchase this on eBay, oh my. So here you can get it. You can get it in this photopolymer set. You'll get that stamp. And this one, I think these two are available. Not sure about these. Like I said, I'm not a Dianna Marcum historian. All 4 of these may actually be available on woodblock, but they're fabulous. Love this too and love this. I'm so happy about this. Alrighty, crafters. I will detail and link everything below for this awesome Dianna Marcum set of stamps. The recipe stamp is available for the pumpkin pecan coffee cake, coming soon with the turkey noodle soup. But everything else is there and waiting for you to come and shop and make some fabulous recipe cards, and mushroom soup is available as well. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafting, my friends. Just love all this goodness. Bye.